For being here in my YouTube channel, that is Time Competitors, and today's topic is number series. So here is the questions. So how we will solve it? This is in alternative order, okay? Alternating sign order. So how will solve it? 4 into 4 8, that is into minus 2, okay? Into minus 2. So minus 8 16, that will be also into minus 2, okay? 16 into minus 2 32, okay? 32 into minus 2, it will be 64. So 64 into minus 2, answer will be what? Of course it will be minus 128, okay? So coming to next question. Next question is 5 10 13 26 and 29 58 61, okay? So what will be the order? It is in increasing order, right? So we can obviously see here it is adding, okay? 5 plus 5, that is 10, okay? Okay, let me 10 plus 3, that is 13. 13 plus 13, that is right. 13 plus 13, that will be 26. 26 plus 3, that will be 29. And 29 58, what will be the difference? That is 18 minus 9, that is will be 9, and 4 minus 2, that will be 2, means 29, okay? Plus 29. So what will be difference between 58 and 61? It will be plus 3. So obviously it will be what? Look here, plus 5, 5 plus 5, it will be 10. 10 plus 3, it will be 13, right? And 13 plus 13, that will be 26, and 26 plus 3, that will be 29. Then 29 plus 29 is equal to 58. 58 plus 3 is equal to 61. So obviously it will be what? 61 plus 61, okay? That will be order. So yeah, plus 61. The answer will be 122, okay? Then coming to next question, it is in increasing order, okay? We can see easily it is in it is a square order, okay? Square and increasing order. So how will solve it? It is one is uh, okay, 1 is square of 1, okay? 4 is square of 2, 9 is square of 3, right? Like this. 16 is 4 square, 25 is 5 square, and 36 will be 6 square, 49 will be 7 square. Obviously it will be 8 square, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 square, right? 8 square, it will be 64. It was very easy question. So coming to next question, it is also in increasing order. First we have to check the order, that is increasing or decreasing, or increasing decreasing zigzag order, okay? So after that we can find the order, how we'll solve it, or how we'll find the answer, okay? So it is in increasing order, and we can find these digits are the cube numbers, right? So what we will do, 1 is 1 cube, right? 8 is 2 cube, 27 is 3 cube, 64 is 4 cube, and 125 is 5 cube, okay? So 216 is okay, it will be 6 cube, okay? So definitely we can say it will be 7 cube. So answer will be 343. 7 cube, answer is 343, okay? So coming to next question, next and final question this is. So what will be order? 11 13 17 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41. Okay, it is obviously, definitely we can say it is in increasing order, and I will find it. Okay, so let's do difference 11 and 13 difference is plus 2. Okay, 13 and 17 difference is plus 4. 17 and 19 difference is plus 2. Okay, 19 and 23 difference will be 4 plus 4, and 23 and 29 difference will be plus 6. Okay, and 29 and 31 difference will be plus 2. Okay, 31 and 37 difference will be plus 6. 37 and 41 difference will be plus 4. Okay, so what will be the difference of this, so that we can find the value, right? So from this order we can say what is the order, actually accurate order. Plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4, but suddenly it is coming plus 6 then plus 2. So what is the order, we can find it, right? So let's do next step. 2 4 plus 4, the difference is plus 2, right? 4 plus 2, the difference is minus 2, right? 2 plus 4 means difference is plus 2. 4 6 difference will be plus 2, right? 6 plus 2, so difference is minus 4. Then plus 2 and plus 6, what will be the difference? Plus 4, right? Then what is the difference of it? Minus 2. Okay, then what will be the next difference? Look, plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus 4. Okay, plus 2, first what happened, it is plus 2, then minus 2, then plus 2, then plus 2. Okay, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, plus 2 that is minus 4. Okay, 2 2 4 and minus 4, that will be cancelled. So here plus 4 and minus 2, here what it will be, obviously it will be minus 2, right? Minus 2, so what will be answer, that is plus 2. Okay, 4 minus 2, that is 2, then 41 plus 2, that will be answer, will be 43. So for today, here the session is completed. So if you like the video, please like and share with your friends and subscribe the channel.